Hi guys, we're back and today we are doing, I'm super excited, we are doing a DIY Tangle Fidget. If you don't know what that is, it's just this like fidget where you can like tangle it and stuff, and it's super cool and super fun, and I really am so excited to do it. So yeah, what you'll need for this video is a pipe cleaner, scissors, and straws, like the flexible straws that are like plastic and have the little like things that you can like pull and stuff. That's what you need for this craft. It's literally 3 things that you need to make your DIY fidget. And so yeah, so the first thing you're gonna do is pick out your colors. I don't know, I think I'm gonna do green, definitely. I'm gonna do green. I'm just gonna do green. I'm gonna do all green for this one. So you need these straws with the like little bendy thing. And anyway, so you're gonna take the thing right where the bendy part is and just clip it off, and then also you're gonna do it on the other side. Clip it off. And so basically you have like this. This is one straw. And then you're gonna do that to the other one. Okay. So now you have these. So we're gonna start with these. We're just gonna put them so they're even, just like this. And then we're gonna cut them about 2 centimeters, I'd say, is a good length. And you're just gonna cut them till you have a bunch of pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna cut them. Okay, so I did all of my pieces. I'm gonna just lower this a little bit. So I did all of these, and now we are going to put them on the pipe cleaner. That's what we're gonna do. So I did all green for this one because I think green and purple are like the best colors together. They're the best combo of colors. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to put these on. So basically, thank you, Daddy. So basically you need to take the edge of this and just like fold it over like that. So basically it's like a little candy cane, just like that. And yeah, and then you're just, so it's right in there, and you're just gonna slide them on just like this till it gets to that point. And then you actually want to do it so short, the little candy cane part, that you can barely see it on the thing. So just like that would be good. And then you're just gonna slide all of the pieces of straw onto your little pipe cleaner. Not little, but your pipe cleaner. So now I have finished my little tangle, and this is the craft. It's done. This is how it works. So basically you can just like fidget with it and stuff. That's that. I did have some excess. I also tried a first attempt that broke, but there's a lot of excess straws. So maybe you could even like make another one with the excess of your straws. But anyway, that was the craft. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I was really excited to do this one. Me and my dad came up with a list of videos, and this was my #1 option. I really loved this one, and I hope you guys loved it just as much as I did. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Please like the video to see more videos, and I hope you really enjoyed this one. I will see you soon. Bye!